Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by setting up the material node tree. Select your object and open the shading workspace so you see the shader editor. Create or confirm a material and make sure use nodes is active. Once done, add a transparent BSDF node and a mix shader node. These are the first actionable pieces. Connect transparent and the existing principled BSDF into the mix shader and plug the mix into material output so you can drive transparency visually. Now you refine how transparent the object becomes. Use the mix shader's FAC slider or a grayscale texture to control opacity. 0 makes it fully transparent and 1 fully opaque. Make sure you're aware of render engine differences. Eevee needs additional settings active while Cycles handles transparency more naturally. For textured objects, plug the image's alpha or a black and white map into FAC. Also enable backface culling awareness and adjust normals if you see inverted faces, because those affect visual transparency. Finish by configuring render and viewport options. In material settings, set blend mode to alpha blend or hashed for proper preview, and in Eevee, enable screen space reflections and refraction when required. Once rendered, verify shadow behavior by enabling shadow mode to none or alpha clip depending on your needs. If you run into issues where parts vanish or flicker, make sure normals are consistent and that the object has no duplicate faces. Correcting
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.